What's in it?
You know that Steven was in a gang now?
Yeah.
What is this?
Got a koozie?
Ben had that.
MS?
The socks?
I like
socks.
that.
Dude, I want the socks.
Oh, yeah.
Opener.
Oh my god.
All right, so the first deer award.
Well, it's got to be a buck, so. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Well,
They already got us squeeze. Cute.
I hope it is, too.
Can't drink beer out here, but we can drink water out of these.
How about it? Well, I'm not even going to push it. It's going to sit in the truck.
Creek water. It's close to the pillar, you know?
Where's Muffley Creek at?
Here we go. Alabama.
I'm sitting here trying to call them. I can hear them coming down the road. I wanted them to stop because there's a buck standing in this field that they had scared it off. They drove it. They just drive right up to it. They're like, "Hey, what are you doing?" They're like, "What are you doing?" I'm like, "Shut up! There's a fucking buck out here." But yeah, we ran out there and chased it. Tried anyway. It didn't work. Hey man, you finally gonna use the Summit?
I got old granddaddy out.
Granddaddy.
Your ass looks good in them jeans.
Granddaddy's short leg.
In the hills of Alabama. Angel, Alabama. And my face is already wind burnt. We're about 100 yards into our walk. About 5 fresh scrapes already. We come in here last year. There wasn't much for activity in here anyway last year. But 2 years ago, I put another button in here, so showing Stevie the area. We've always seen big bucks on the road. Just trying to jump on it. We're going to probably sit down and make something happen here in a bit.
Yeah, it's an oldie.
That's all. But basically just thinned out pines coming. I thought we were going to run into a buck soon, man. Pretty cool if we did.
A yak right there. It's a good yak. We finally found our first community scrape. Way off the beaten path. Got almost to the bottom. I can see. Stand here and I see a rub over there. 2 scrapes right here. I'm sure there's another scrape over there. I'm just guessing, but I'm usually pretty good at that. I'm probably gonna put a camera on this scrape right here. Man, it's decided to hit this year. But that's a good sign. Look at the size of that deer. That's a big boy. That's a big boy. We're headed down into this creek bottom here. Probably gonna shoot a massive buck in like the next 4 or 5 minutes. There's a absolute man. A god among deer. I'm sure in the next 4 or 5 minutes. So be ready. Hey, you like that hat? Yeah, me too. Alright, here we go. He's coming back.
Testing. 1, 2.
Red. It's on.
It's on. Here we go.
All right, here we go.
Yeah, Bush Light Cup.
How about it?
Cheers.
Touch me.
Bama 2025.
Damn, Nate.
Oh, we're going all the way. Oh, wow. Someone's the alcoholic in the group. I'm not going out tomorrow. No ZD for you.
I was going to go, but, you know.
Oh, man, I can't wait.
Kind of growing it out for the winter storm.
Eat Mo's ass.
What are we ready for? Oh. How about it, guys? We got our Captain Crunch Crunchberry breakfast bar in us. Thanks, Kellogg's. Having a little bit of a voice issue this morning. Having to clear my throat. But it's 28 degrees and we're riding around right now, seeing if we can see anything from the truck. It's happened a lot, probably 5 or 6 times in the last few years, where we've seen a big buck from the truck. And we make a move on it, and we've killed 2 deer doing that. So that's what we're doing first. Got an area in mind we're about to go, or it's where we're headed. And we got a pretty solid game plan as of now for an evening or evening hunt. But plans could change, and that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to find us a bonus buck, bonus area, however you want to say it. But there's a food plot up here I want to check out, Steve. So instead of turning left like we did yesterday, take a right here.
All right, Nate.
We're gonna go back here and check out this food plot since nobody's checked in this area. Normally you don't go into these food plots around this time of day, but if there's nobody checking in here, then we should be fine. So we're gonna go in here, and last year there was a big scrape. Turn right here. Last year there was a big scrape in here on this food plot. These food plots tend to attract people and pressure. As cliche as that sounds, it's just the truth. But we're gonna weasel our way back here. Maybe we'll see something, maybe we won't. But intel. You always need intel. And that's what we're looking for. My lips are chapped. My ass is chapped. My forehead's chapped.
So Nate's been looking for this quick connect for like days, and I blamed it on him. It's in my bag the whole time, so I'm gonna try to apologize real quick. He's coming. How'd you do? How'd you do?
Not bad. Weird. Butthole's kind of wet.
Oh.
Looks like I didn't get it good enough, but.
Yeah. Look at this. Look at this. Damn thing. Give me a hug.
Huh?
Give me a hug. No matter what. Best friends forever.
Yeah, man.
I'm sorry. It was in my backpack.
Right where we kind of thought it would be.
Yeah. Remember when I told you that's where it was?
Yeah, and you're like, no, it wasn't in there.
Yeah. But this is for you. Thank you.
I don't know if now is a good or bad time to tell you that I did not bring the charger for the Vixia.
Well, then this is as good as shit. There's no deer. Not yet, Stevie. When are you gonna let him out of the cage? I want to shoot one like Blue Brian. No, you let him out of the box and then you just shoot him. Right? Oh shit. That's a black belly mango tree. Hell yeah. I ain't gonna lie, you kind of got me excited there for a second. I like trees. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. And they said it's supposed to snow today. So we'll see. A lot of blue. God, look, it's an ocean. Is that a lake? Yeah, it's Lake Snodesassa. Snodesassa. Okay. All right.
10:34. I guess it's starting to snow. Starting to look good. Nate, what do you think? That's a badass snow angel, Nate. Snow angels for days in Alabama. Yeah. You did a really good job, Nate. Badass. I was just sitting here taking a poop, and there's a bunch of hogs right here behind me. Shit, it's shallow enough just to walk across. Up. Stand up. I shouldn't have shot at that one. I didn't know 16 others were about to pop up.
Damn, they were right there.
Yeah. I didn't hit them up.
Definitely didn't squeal. Yeah, looks like you hit a tree.
No, I think I hit that.
No?
I don't think I hit that.
Yeah. Dude, they were running everywhere.
Shit, you could follow there. Fresh, like, this is that thing for the snow.
Yeah.
Like where you see everywhere they ran.
Yeah. No blood. Damn, I don't even know how many there was.
I had to be 8. I forgot to put my rifle on fire. It's like, when it popped up, I went to shoot and I go, God damn it. And I had to thumb it. My
fingers are frozen.
What happened? Why is it getting jammed?
I think the f***ing mag.
That's why I don't
Look at
like.
that. See that?
Oh,
I think the mag ain't feeding.
the spring's fucked up in it.
Which is a new problem. So it's not feeding up.
Yeah, that's why I don't like magazines.
But I've had this rifle for 11 years, so magazine's bound to stop feeding eventually.
Son of your mother.
That would have been cool for a snow pig. Hey, you're gonna have to update that Florida camo pattern. That's proof. Let me know. So, I have crossed 2 creeks. Well, I've crossed more than that, but the first time I've crossed both creeks, I've gotten a wet foot. We're at our 3rd new creek. I think I'm gonna take that tree across. Or right here. I really don't want to get another wet foot though. I got my right foot. I got a wool sock with 2 hand warmers on it wrapped up in a Sunstop grocery bag. Seems to be holding up pretty good. I just got settled in my stand. As you can see, it's cold. It's snowing. This is a gift. Something new for us people in the South. And I'd have to imagine just about every deer out here has never seen snow before. So how are they supposed to act when they don't know what the hell it is? You would think they'd be running crazy. But they ain't. You'd think we'd be jumping them up in some thick spots, bed it up. But we ain't. But there's sign everywhere, so we just gonna hang in there and do it till we don't do it no more. Or at least until we can't do it no more. But I'll put my phone up. I can't wear my gloves and record at the same time. And my fingers are about to freeze off, so I'll get back to y'all if something crazy happens. I'm not filming. I don't have the right stuff, and as you can see, it's snowing. And all my shit would get covered in snow, so we're not that good at it yet. But I'll get back to y'all if something good happens.
All right, so you can see it's snowing. Obviously,
Pretty bad.
pretty bad.
Been snowing like that for like 3 hours.
So, been pretty much freezing for the last 3 hours, but obviously you just saw Nate shoot that big ass pig. Nate stopped feeling his hands, hence why you haven't seen anything about that pig since he killed it. But we got a call. Maurice done shot him a 7-point, so we are following him and Carl. We are gonna get the deer cart and drag this bad boy out. Hopefully, I've been on 28 miles till empty for about 15 minutes, so hopefully
Now
I'll
it
be able
just
to get
says-
out of here.
Now it just says low.
Now it just says low. Yeah, it's really just wanting me to get out of here. But super pumped for my guy. I've been in 4-wheel drive for the last 30 minutes though, because what you also didn't see was how sketchy it was getting up that hill. Because you know what? What's the key, Nate?
Momentum.
Momentum. That's correct. Momentum is the key. Woo! Anyways, next time you see me, it'll be with that deer cart. Wow, guy, he looks fugly that way.
Oh, no, what's up?
But a good-looking dude got him.
We're back, baby. All right. Super nasty. We are super nasty tonight with a typical Alabama 7-pointer because Mo's the 7-point killing king.
7 is lucky.
The lucky sevens.
Lucky 7.
You know what that means? That means tomorrow you're killing 10-point.
I hope.
Who shot this?
Lucky sevens. That's 3 sevens in a row. What follows it?
You said a 10, right?
I hope it's a 10.
Y'all should have weighed this cart by now, by itself, where you could just back up and latch it onto this cart and just deduct it. That's what I would do.
Someone left the fucking jaw in there.
Well, you're in the jaw box. You gotta go to the mailbox.
Oh, it's
He's
like
like, someone's got a. It literally says deer jawbones.
some piece of shit.
Look at that thing right there. You can see walking up to a pig. The one I shot last night. And the deer. Holy shit. God, dog. That moves that big. Oh, fuck. Anyway, last night, there was a blizzard basically. I come up out of this bottom, shot him. I lost all feeling in my hands and toes, started freaking out. It was getting dark, didn't have a light, my light broke yesterday morning. I was gonna go back to the truck and warm up and get a light. Maurice called, had a buck down. So we went and got it. And by the time we was coming back here, the damn roads were iced over. We couldn't make it up the hill to get here, so we come back this morning. And as you can see, here he lies. Look at this son of a bitch.
got some cutters on him too. Damn. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I did not think he was that big. God almighty. That's got to be close to that one I shot in Mississippi. Let's see if he's got cutters on the other side. He's got this one. He's got that one right there wore down. But I shot him right behind the ear hole at 30 yards. After I shot him, multiple hogs came in and was sniffing him and shit. But
Look. What a perfect hog marking, huh?
And that's where he lied. he died on it. It looks like he died on some pig shit. Look at that. But that's probably going to conclude this video unless we shoot something tonight. Tonight's the last evening. Wish us luck. Thank y'all for watching. It's probably going to be the last hunting video of the year, actually. Next year should be better. I'm going to be tuned up. We're going to have some new equipment on some fresh property up in the Midwest. So thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for always following us on all the social medias. Until next year, we'll see y'all later.